What's up, guys? It's Dirtbike Gamer 05 here, and my friend Tristan is on the camera today.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah. So, yeah, Tristan is my best friend. One of my best friends, rather than Dirtbike Gamer 05. He just kicked some ice on the bin. Anyhow, check out those shoes. What are those? And look at this dude. Dude. He's an armadillo. Okay, so where should we go?
Oh, the other guys. Yeah.
Oh, wait, yeah. Guys, today is a special day because guess what? We're going to this certain place.
So good.
We're going to this certain place where we like dirt bike.
Oh my God.
Dude. Whoa, let's try to get this piece out. Wait, hold up. Let's push. Wait, hold up. Let's both kick it at the same time. Wait, hold up. Hold it.
Now, no, dirt bike gamer. I forgot what's the name. 05 is gonna try and move this big piece of block of snow or ice. Just a big flat of ice.
Oh man, too snowy.
But can he
give up?
But can he do it? He didn't, but he gives up.
What, baby? So there.
Do the slippery look.
There.
Go on the ice.
That was Tristan. We're on our way to the hill, guys. And so far, I haven't slipped and broke the tablet or broke my ankles. But anyhow, dude, don't get in there. There's poop in there.
I know.
Look at this car. Look at this dude. Dude. He's an armadillo. Anyhow, if you guys want to see me, this is me. Yeah. Hey, guys. Anyhow, we're going to this giant clunk of ice, but for now, we're gonna go to this huge clunk of ice.
Oh God, dude.
Guys, that thing is completely all in one part. Yeah, dude, I'm fine. It's not gonna drive into this. Only good drivers are driving out here, right? But guys, it's so cool. I'm ice skating, dude. Car. Dude, we're supposed to be showing my friends the hill. We're supposed to be showing my gamers the hill. Guess what? I know who Pink Sheep is. Pink Sheep, the the YouTuber that's Pink Sheep, he actually goes to my school.
I need to go to my we need to go to the clubhouse.
For what, boy?
My shoe.
What do you mean your shoe? What shoe?
Alright. One.
Stuff got in your shoe?
No, I didn't get my shoe. My sock.
Dude.
Oh, look at this. And so that's sweet.
What? Let's go. Look at these tiny little.
What the heck?
Some of these feet are tiny as heck. But guys, once Dirtbike Game Row 6 starts doing stuff again, believe me, it's gonna be cool. Thanks for all the support. I already have 5 subscribers, and yeah, I have like 50 something views. If you didn't know, if you get 2,000 views on like a couple of stuff, yeah.
Would you be surprised if we're out here today?
What? Dude, doesn't that look like the brain saw from right here?
Where?
Come here. Doesn't it look like the brain saw?
Oh yeah, baby, it is.
Dude!
It is.
Why would you do that?
I don't know.
What?
Good night, the call.
Yeah, I know. I saw it. If you touch me with that, I swear your life is gonna die. If you mess anything up when I'm trying to vlog, swear you're gonna die. But yeah, shout outs to Dirtbike Game Row 6.
What the heck?
Check out his channel,
I don't have a channel yet, but look at my mom's channel.
which is called Erica Robinson. Only one video. But still,
Before we get going.
this kid saying let it go. And I'm like, bro. Kid is saying let it go. You can make a remix of the first part. Hi.
What you guys doing?
I'm making
You
a
guys didn't
vlog.
have school today, did you?
No.
He's making a vlog.
Yeah, I'm making a vlog.
Making a what?
A vlog. You can say hi to the people in the
Why do you
vlog.
have socks on your
Yeah, I can't. I know I don't. Say hi to the people in the
head? Hi to
vlog.
the people.
Hi.
You guys behaving yourselves today?
Yeah, we are.
Building snowmen?
No, we can't build it. I don't want
I'm pretty
I
sure
don't.
all the ice is into a packed portion of ice. There's not
Yeah.
enough to make snowmen, but if we made snowmen, the snowmen would have to be at least right here. We'll call it Little Billy if we do. What?
Oh, never mind.
Well,
Y'all be good.
okay.
How can the pool not be frozen?
Because of the chlorine.
Like 70.
Check this out, guys. Yesterday, I ran it like.
Who got your violin? Was that yours? That was in that room? We found a violin in there.
Oh yeah, I did.
Do you? You didn't even realize it was gone? I'm gonna grab it in a minute. Come back in here and tell me if it's yours, okay?
Okay.
You're actually.
Where did they find it?
In the coffee room. Coffee room. Oh, look. It's all Still have the icicle.
Dude, how and why? How am I supposed to vlog with this in my hand? Guys, hold up.
Would you, don't you just do the other way, the other camera way?
Just do it a different way. Hopefully this is staring at us, guys.
One piece of Cheeto said 1, and I'm getting 2 sugars. Getting 2 sugars.
Can you take this over?
Dude, that's it. That's a leak?
It's a tiny one.
Dude! How you get a leak in here?
Dude, should we try to get a little bit of a bigger cup next time to try to get some more cocoa? No, like next time should be time to steal a lot of cream tissue. Hold and take off. Come on, take this off. What, you think I'm your servant? Well, I'm turning you into my servant. If you do, the answer is kind of. To be honest, we're kind of both each other's servants, right? Alright. Dude, 3 pieces of cream.
3 pieces of cream, remember what she said?
How much did she say?
She said like 2 or 1.
I'm pretty sure she said 3.
No, she didn't say 3.
Yeah, she did. Okay, sugar. Dude, you see how much cream is there?
Dude, no, I've been here. I've already been here. I've been here after school every day.
For real?
Yeah, I'm here every day.
So they drop you off here?
Yeah, they dropped me at the
Oh yeah, I know, I saw. Dude, I'm supposed to be a little bit ahead of you in grades.
Wait, dude.
What, jealous or mad?
Just 1.
If they had marshmallows here. Tristan, check on the camera and see. Don't touch it. Check on the camera and see if it's showing my face.
I can't see it. Is it showing your face?
Hold up. Yeah, it's showing us. So yeah, guys, we're almost done.
Alright, I'll be right back and get my violin.
Hold up, I'm coming too.
What's wrong with you? Okay, God, I can't
Why would I say that to my?
I can't believe I left my violin here. God.
Dude, that just makes no sense,
I think
right?
my mom didn't even know that my violin was in here.
Dude, that's what you call luck, isn't it?
That's really lucky.
Your mom and people are gonna be super mad. Agreed? Hold up! I actually made coffee, guys.
Come on, let's go.
By the way, if you ever live at this apartment complex,
It's really great.
the hot chocolate is horrible if you don't put in cream and sugar.
Oh, yeah.
But check out, we have a pool.
And should we tell them that the buses will just come right at the clubhouse? We'll come right at the clubhouse at school. When school ends, you can just come and get your hot chocolate.
Yup. Anytime. Tell me that we use 2 pieces of cream, right?
How is mine?
Tell me that we use 2 pieces of cream, right?
Violin. Oh wait, which direction is your car facing? Oh, is there a vacant spot next to you? Okay. Is this yours? We're gonna be a little more. I know what I'm doing now. I don't have to know me. She's like, no, don't even. I do know her. And last time she tried to help somebody, they almost. It wasn't even.
We're still on our trip to the hill, aren't we?
I'll remember my violin. I'll remember my violin soon.
Back your violin as soon as we come back from the hill. But yeah, guys, the hot chocolate here is great. Get at least 5 pieces of cream and a whole lot of sugar. It's a freaking truck plow.
It's gonna pull all the snow.
Oh, I see there what you did.
Yeah, baby, there's more snow.
Whoa, you see what they're doing?
Oh, there's toboggan in this one.
Toboggan. It's a noggin, idiot. Toboggan. To noggin, idiot.
Let's go over there and see what they're doing.
Isn't it obvious they're snow sledding?
Yeah, that's the toboggan.
Dude, let's not walk where the poop is.
Oh, I don't know. How are you fixing it? No, let's go. Oh, man.
You gotta walk with caution.
Oh, damn it.
This is better, isn't it?
Hey, it's good. Really?
Are you sure that's Riley?
I don't know if that's Riley or not.
Yep, that's Riley. I def- How could you not understand what she said, dude? How could you not understand?
You guys watch out! I'm going to go surfing.
You wanna play? I have extra. Yes, try, and I will teach you all, okay?
Okay.
Did you ask permission to your mom?
Oh yeah, we're allowed to come over here.
How old are you, Tristan?
He's 10.
What are you?
10.
You're not.
Yes, I am. I figured out that I'm actually 10.
What is that?
What's my violin? My violin. I have no idea what I'm playing. I have no.
He somehow forgot it.
And I have no idea. What's it?
Those are my friends.
Car yesterday.
Wait,
Where?
who's that? Is that Gavin?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Gavin, you're on
Gavin's
YouTube
area.
right now. Say hi to
The
the
100 building?
to the folks.
What?
Say hi to my folks. You're on YouTube right now, Gavin.
Wait, what?
Say
What?
say hi, Riley, to the
Hi.
folks.
Okay.
Come on, say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Those are all my friends.
But how are you supposed to be on YouTube?
I upload a video, Gavin. You press the upload button, and then it uploads stuff.
You mean button?
You mean
Bad, Gavin. One. Let them play.
you mean your butt? So you mean your butt is actually made out of tin?
Let them play right. I have extra.
Yeah.
You don't say
I'm gonna put this. Let's see if this thing melts.
Don't do that, dude.
It actually does it. It melts.
The faster you have to jump.
Hmm?
The little faster you have to jump. Jump like this. We're going to use the circle one.
All right.
You share the trophy because that one is for baby. That cannot carry a heavy one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I have another one there. Go, go, go. I have another one.
Tristan,
That one for the first time. Oh my God! I'll break up, Lolo. What cook? There's car.
Guys, I'm gonna go. Oops, kind of burped. No! How am I?
Please don't hurt mine. That's mine.
Wait, Tristan, hold this and video me going down.
How do you hold this again? The two blue things. Okay. This is Jason's channel. Okay. So I gotta hold this and the blue thing? Yes, you have to hold that and the blue.
I gotta run down and hold the stuff.
And then jump. Like that. That was. Hey, baby,
Okay.
can you do me? Oh, do that! He just drift. He was like, drift.
Wait, let's see him drift again.
He's my Ninga's friend. Hey. Hello.
Okay, you get that one. That one's yours. I'll video. Did you video me going down?
Yeah, I did.
You hold all of it. You do this and then jump down. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Oh God.
Let me show you.
Dang.
Hold it.
Dang.
Damn, Daniel.
Okay, let me show you. Right?
Okay. Stop calling me JJ.
Yes, Tracy.
Over here.
Let me try that again. Oh, dude, there's more room over there. What the? No.
Oh God, no.
God. Oh.
Let me do it one more time. That is so good. We need to be daylight. Yeah. What?
Christian. Oh man, there's ice on the road. There's ice on the road. I just saw a car do just do like this and then like woo!
Christian,
I just like did that.
Camera on the violin.
Wow, guys, I'm gonna end the video now because this is too fun. Sorry, but maybe tomorrow I'll show you the hill. Bye, guys.